Want to build AI web scrapers that run 10 times faster and use a fraction of the memory of traditional Chrome? If you've ever tried running headless Chrome in the cloud to scrape data or power AI agents, you know how expensive, slow, and bloated it can get. That's because traditional browsers were built for humans, not machines. Enter Lightpanda, the heavy graphical rendering that slows traditional browsers down. In real-world benchmarks, Lightpanda is a beast. It runs up to 9 times faster and uses 16 times less memory than traditional setups. We're talking about taking memory peaks down from 2 gigabytes to just over 100 megabytes. This means you can run massive scraping jobs on cheap cloud instances without crashing your servers. One of the coolest features for AI developers is the Lightpanda agent and PandaScript. This allows you to drive the browser with just a single LLM call and replay the actions for free, making it incredibly easy to build smart, autonomous web scrapers. Plus, getting started is incredibly simple. You can install it in seconds using a single terminal command with no sign-up required for the quick start. Now, let's talk about the catch. Because Lightpanda is a specialized, cutting-edge tool, traditional consumer reviews are still very limited. However, the developer community is already buzzing. Industry experts and developers on X are calling it a game changer for cloud cost efficiency, especially for AI workloads. The main trade-off to keep in mind is that because it has no graphical rendering, it's strictly for headless machine tasks, so you won't be using it for visual testing or human browsing. If you want to slash your cloud bills and build lightning-fast AI scrapers, head over to lightpanda.io and try their quick start guide. What do you think? Is this the end of headless Chrome? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI developer tutorials.